Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new month. I'm so happy that you are here with me as I reveal this month's kit. I hope all of you are doing well wherever you are in this world. I am really excited to bring you this very neutral, earthy type of kit. So, who's excited? Let's jump right in. For those of you who are new to the world of villabeauTIFFul, I just wanted to introduce you to the What's in Your Kit card. On the back of this, it will list everything that is included with your kit. And I love this image, and you'll find it in your digitals. I loved it so much that I had to make a little enamel charm to put in my planner. And it's just like this, pretty simple, so you can be creative and do whatever you like with it. You can add it to your keys, add it to like the zipper for your planner, or even your tote bag. This next item is a macrame planner charm. If you've seen the mood board for March's kit, you saw that I had like some macrames hanging in the clip art. I really wanted to bring that to you, but in a form of a planner charm. So here is this little one, and I put the VB heart in gold to kind of give it a little bit of detail. A lot of you have been asking for more of these type of page flags. I guess they're more like page boxes. These are transparent boxes. I really like using these for my monthly layout, and I use them a lot too for my weekly, but I feel they're more functional than like the page flags that I put in the kit sometimes. I really like these. You get 3 of them and in different colors. I had to bring back this next product because I can't even remember when the last time I included these little pen sleeves. I think it was last year. Sorry if I'm wrong and I can't remember, but I think it was last year. I really love these. They're super soft, and you can fit 4 pens in these pen sleeves. This one says "My Pretty Pens" with the rainbow clip art that is in the kit. Now you can pick your 4 favorite pens at the moment and take them with you anywhere. They won't get scratched in this really cute little pen sleeve. I am so obsessed with these sticky notes. Oh my gosh. I just want to have them in every kit. Okay, I won't, but I just love these. They're so functional. You get 4 different ones. They are 1.5 by 1.9, 2-ish, so they will fit a lot of the popular planner boxes out there. They're super functional. That's what I love about these. Just to show you how it compares to a 3x3 sticky note, like the regular square sticky notes. Let me just add these to the top so you can see the width. 2 of them will fit across, and then just a little bit short for the height, but it kind of gives you it kind of lets you see how small they are and super functional. It's washi tape time. 2 washi tapes for every VB kit. There is this thinner one. This is Abstract Rainbows. If I can get this unraveled. It's always hard when you have nails. Okay, so this is what the Abstract Rainbows looks like. I did do a sneak, I think a couple weeks back. I had to test it out in my planner. I always like to test out the new products. And this one is more like an abstract pattern with some circles, and then gunmetal. It's gunmetal lines through it. Hope you guys like these. New product alert. You guys probably saw these when I was doing the sneaks and were wondering what the heck these were. So these are rolls of washi stickers. It's the same material as washi tape. However, these are die cut into shapes. So like this one's for the sunglasses. They're a little bit transparent, just like regular washi tape when they're not printed. But yeah, I really like this. I've been wanting to do washi stickers on a roll for a while now, so you even get a pen. Hint hint. I know you guys probably already know what the pen looks like, but that's that. And then you get words too. I loved the fonts that I used for this kit, so I really had to use them to make word washi stickers. Really functional. You can layer these with the other stickers. Oh, there's so many possibilities that you can do with these. Make sure you know, if you're kind of stuck, I know the design team will do a lot of projects. The part that all of you have been waiting for. This is this month's VBKit pen. It is always named after the kit that is featured in. So this one is called Free Spirit. I would call this color more of a terracotta color. It's kind of a orange brownish shade. It has gunmetal hardware, and the crystals are really pretty, especially when you see it in person. And I don't know, I didn't even realize that the pen matches my nails. So the crystals are a nude, peach, and topaz mixture. It works really well with this kit. I wanted to show you the pen away from the bright sunlight, so you can see what the color actually looks like. It's really pretty in person. I know you're gonna love the crystal combination that's in this pen. This month I decided to change it up a little bit and not include the transparent stickers, since we have the washi roll stickers. So you'll be getting the cards instead. A lot of you have said you love the cards, so I wanted to make sure that the cards were consistent in every kit. I've been seeing a lot of you collect these, so it's been really nice to see your collections. This is the Free Spirit sticker book for the month. I really like how the neutral colors work well with the gunmetal foil, and I'll show you that in the couple pages. Well, you can kind of see it in this page. The lighting is a little bit bright, but look, I love this. I just really love the aesthetic of this kit. Okay, here's where you can see the gunmetal foil. Isn't that pretty against these neutral shades? I really like it. I do want to apologize, you guys, for the lighting. I was debating on redoing this video, but then the reveal would be late when we send out the reveal email. So again, I do apologize for this. Today has been kind of weird. It's been really sunny, and then dark clouds come in, and then there's been lightning, and it's been raining, and then the sun comes out again. So it's been off and on. So it's been really hard to get that perfect daylight lighting. I wanted to quickly show you the paper pack. If you purchase the VBKit Plus paper pack, these are the 2 vellum sheets that you'll be receiving, and then the 4 heavy cardstock paper patterns. This is one of them. This is the second one. I really drop a comment below and let me know how you're going to be using this kit, and what planner you're going to be using it for, because you never know if the BB fairy is going to come and grant you, something special. And that wraps up March 2021 Free Spirit VBKit. Thank you guys for pre-ordering, and for those of you who missed out and are dying to get your hands on one, make sure to subscribe to the VB newsletter. We will be announcing a date when extras will be available. Thank you again for all of your support, for always supporting these kits every single month. I really appreciate it. And for those of you who get really excited, it makes me excited too. Before I let you guys go, do not forget to pre-order next month's kit if you haven't done so already. If you're into florals and you love primrose Corner, who I collaborated with this month, make sure to grab it. There's only a few left. Again, thanks again for watching, and I will see you next month.